experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. We need evidence to help us support our ideas. The more evidence we have, the stronger our idea is. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us.
Scientific attitudes are important aspects of a personality, most especially to those who want to be successful in the field of science. Almost all scientists are believers. They believe that everything happens for a reason. For example, if a clock is not working, it may be because the batteries ran out of energy. Another example is when plants grew fast. It might be because on the fertilizers they put into it. Scientists also have curiosity. They ask questions and seek answers. Scientists are hungry for information, especially when things don't fall into pattern. For example, looking at a bridge, scientists often are curious, how do bridges bear so much weight? Also, when they look in a dark sky, they become curious of what causes rain to form. People inclined to science are objective. They do not allow their feelings to influence their records and conclusions. They record and write their observations as it is. Example, when they see plant action like folding of its leaves whenever it is touched, scientists record them in their journals. Likewise, when they are recording the shadows appearing during daytime. Another scientific attitude is critical thinking. Scientists base suggestions and conclusions on evidences. Example, before arriving at a conclusion, they test all the possible methods. Also, they go beyond asking what and ask how and why questions. Another important scientific attitude is open-mindedness. Scientists listen and respect the ideas of others. They ask for permission before giving feedback and presenting results. Moreover, they do not interrupt when someone's sharing their thoughts. Scientists also possess inventiveness. They generate new and original ideas. Like in school, the grade 5 students build a robot that can measure the area of the classroom. In some activities, they combine colors aside from the given colors to enhance their work. Scientists are also risk-takers. They try new ideas even at risk of failure or criticism. They are not afraid of performing or presenting their work in front of a large crowd. And in cooking, they make new recipes they have not tried before. One of the important attitudes of science enthusiasts is the respect for others' creations. They practice intellectual honesty, meaning they give truthful report of observations so others would not put into danger or harmed. For example, scientists advise us that adding more water to the cactus would not make it grow. Or even in our malfunctioning cars, replacing its batteries would make it start again. Scientists also possess humility. They admit their errors and recognizes other better ideas. For example, when a student put wrong ingredients in the mixture, the student accepts his mistake and work on making it right. Also, the leader appreciated the efforts of the team members. Finally, we all scientists have big responsibility. We should actively participate in tasks and perform our duties. Like at home, we don't rely to our mom or dad to constantly remind us to do our homework and maintain the cleanliness of our room. Those are the scientific attitudes that makes us successful in the field of science. Before you leave, I would like to ask, which of the attitudes do you have and which of them are you lacking? Better check yourself now. Until next time.